Let's look at this 2021 WAEC question on indices. We have 16 times 2 raised to the power s plus 1 equals to 4 raised to the power s times 8 raised to the power 1 minus s. And we are asked to find the value of the s. If you look at the question now, we have the simplest base, which is 2. And you can make all the base equals to this 2. And this will now give you 2 raised to the power 4. This 2 raised to the power 2 and 8 will give you 2 raised to the power 3. So our solution to this question will now be 2 raised to the power 4, which is 16, times 2 raised to the power s plus 1 is equals to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power s times 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 minus s. This is product power law and this is the product power law. So the question will now be 2 raised to the power 4 times 2 raised to the power s plus 1 equals to 2 times s will now be 2s times 2 times 1 will now be 3 minus 3 times s will now be 3s. If you look at the question, the left side is a multiplication law, the right side is multiplication law. And for multiplication law, we add the power. It will now be 2 raised to the power 4 plus s plus 1 equals to 2 raised to the power 2s plus 3 minus 3s. Since the bases are the same now, we equate the power, which is 4 plus s plus 1 equals to 2s plus 3 minus 3s. From here, now be s, 4 plus 1 now be plus 5 is equals to 2s minus 3 will now be minus s plus 3. So the question will now be s plus 5 equals to minus s plus 3. We move this s to the left side and move this 5 to the right side. When you move this left to the left side, now the s plus s, since it is negative, it becomes positive, equals to 3. Move this to the other side will now be negative 5. So this will now be 2s equals to 3 minus 5 will give you minus 2. So s will now be minus 2 divided by 2. Therefore, s will now be minus 1. This is our answer to this question.